Hey guys, it's your girl Christy and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to take the time to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys for joining my channel. I hope that you enjoy it. Continue to share, like. Today I'm going to go gear more towards the brows. I'm going to do a quick and simple, easy brow. Before I do any makeup, I always cleanse my face. I cleanse my face with a black African soap, you guys. I got this from Walmart, but you can also purchase it from Target. It's totally worth it, you guys. It's really helped clear up some of my spots on my skin and everything. I also purchased the wipes. So these are like wipes you can kind of take off your makeup, or if you feel as if your face is a little dirty, sorry guys, if you feel as if your face is a little dirty, you can use these wipes to kind of cleanse and get any dirt or any excess oil off of your face when you are not wearing your makeup or before you actually apply any makeup. Currently I'm looking for a moisturizer for my skin because I do have oily skin, so as soon as I figure out that I'm going to show you guys I will show you guys my face regimen that I do on a daily basis. Technically, before applying any makeup, I would add some type of a moisturizer to your face to kind of keep it moisturized. All right, guys, so I'm going to get started on the eyebrows. I am going to use my favorite palette. You guys know this by now. Maybelline, my nudes. I'm going to use the color black that's there. For some reason, guys, I feel as if I love to use this. It gives me a more enhanced look. My eyebrow kind of pops out more when I do my makeup. So this is my favorite powder to use. I have tried other things, and I'm going to continue to try other eyebrow. From right now, this is like the easiest for me to apply my makeup and go because I'm always on the go. So I'm going to use this slanted brush here. I got this from the European Wax Center. You could purchase one of these brushes from Target, from the e.l.f. collection. As you guys know, that's my favorite store. So you guys can go there. It's really inexpensive. e.l.f. is very affordable. If you're just now starting out doing your makeup or anything that you're doing with makeup, I would start off with e.l.f. It is the most affordable for you, and you're not going to have to spend like hundreds and hundreds of dollars just to get some of these brushes that I do have. So I'm going to take this brush here. I'm going to take this part here. I'm just going to stroke my brows into the shape of my face, because you guys know you have a shape to your face. Your brow is the shape of your face. So follow your bone structure. So however your bone structure is, that's the way that your brows are going to be. I'm not sure why people are making up their brows unless they don't have any, but your brow should follow the shape of your bone of your face. Simple as that. I'm going to take a little bit of the powder here, and I'm just going to gently add this powder on to my face. And wherever my brow is shaped, that's how I'm doing my brows. And you're going to do the same thing with the other eye. This is the easiest way, you guys, to start doing your brows. And if you have like really bushy brows, I would so use the brow gel. I do use the brow gel, but I only use it sometimes, only if I haven't had my eyebrows threaded, waxed, or plugged. Because that brow gel will help tame the eyelashes, in between, you getting them plucked or waxed or threaded. So, and it'll still leave you with a very, very nice, clean finish in the end. So once you guys are done with that, you're gonna take a concealer. Your concealer can be as light as you want it to be, honestly. I would not do a dark concealer when you're shaping your brows, when you're going in to conceal it. I would use a lighter color for your concealer, because when you go in, if you decide to blend your concealer in with a flat brush, you want it to act as if it's a second concealer, or when you go to leave it up under the eye, it will act as a natural highlighter. So when you go to do your actual eyeshadow, your makeup, you'll already have that natural highlight to where you don't have to go in and add that much, if that makes sense. But I always use a lighter shade of concealer for when especially when I'm concealing anything on my face, anything that you're concealing, you want to go lighter, because 9 times out of 10, your makeup is going to be more of your skin tone, and you don't want that to be you don't want that to be the same tone. You know, you want to leave some type of a natural highlight to your face. So I'm going to use my Lancome. This is color 10, or color Praline, the number 10. And I've actually used my old MAC. I need to get some more of this, you guys. I've used my old MAC concealer. You guys can use MAC. You can use whatever concealer you feel, you know, comfortable with. And I'm going to actually take my brush here. This is my eyebrow brush. And I'm going to just thin it out, because I don't want to put a big glob of concealer on my lashes. You know, this is a little bit thinner than the MAC, and so I don't want to mess up my eyebrows and make it like smeared, almost glossy. So you want to do a thin layer of this if you are going to use the Lancome, or like a more liquid, you know, type of a concealer. I'm just going to outline my eyebrows, you guys. Once you guys are done with this side, we're going to move along to the next side as well. And if you have to go back through and add more concealer, go for it. You guys, I keep getting all these alerts on mine. Like, are you freaking kidding me? When you're cleaning up your brows, anyways, you guys, first of all, your brows should look something like this. Whatever your shape is, you use it, okay? If you have a natural arch, then that's just how your brow is. You have a natural arch. If you do not be making up don't be making up shapes, y'all, to y'all's faces. It's not that serious. We want to keep it really nice and natural. I like my brows more defined, so a lot of the times, you know, to darken it, it's just perfect, you know. And then just make your brows. That's the first thing someone's gonna notice when they look at you. It's like, oh girl, your brows is on point. Girl, your brows are bomb. Your brows are on fleek. You know when a gay guy tells you that your brows is on fleek, that your brows is on fleek, okay? So let's keep it like that. So I like to use Q-tips and water to clean up my brows. Again, if you don't want to go through my process or do what I'm doing, you could use a flat brush. You know, whether it's the flat foundation brush, if you want to make this into your brush that you can do to kind of blend in to shape everything, go for it. To me, when I use the Q-tips and water, it cleans it up so good, and you can still leave that nice little highlight under the brow, you know, when you get in. So I'm actually going to wet these right now, and we're going to start cleaning up our brows. And you guys are going to see what I mean when I say you don't have to make it so thick, because you want a natural. And once you guys are done cleaning up your brows should look just like this. That's how you guys' brows should look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Make sure you subscribe. First of all, subscribe to my channel and click that little bell on the side so you are alerted when I do upload new videos. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Kiss me with your eyes open.